So then we go to the second case. This is the data sharing in spatial database. Like the scenario is like this. Thinking of that you are the headquarters of a chain store, that you want to know the distribution of each location on map. So maybe every store has some basic information like the address, phone number, or even include the sales revenue every year. So you can use our SuperGIS Desktop to connect with the spatial database and display the result by the map, that you can check the information more easily. Now, in our SuperGIS Desktop, that you can import or export layers between spatial geodatabase, and we support the three kinds of geodatabase, spatial geodatabase. One is Microsoft SQL Server, and another one is Oracle Spatial, and the third one is PostSQL. So this is the interface that you can connect the spatial database in our SuperGIS Desktop. So you need, after if you want to add the data from database and display in SuperGIS Desktop, you just need to click on this add layer icon and choose for switch to a database connection, and then click on this add your database connection. And the next one is you need to select the type and to fill in with some information like the IP address and or report and the name of the database, and also important one, the account and the password. So this is the basic information that you need to have while connect to a geodatabase. And if you are going to import or export data into or from the geodatabase, then you can also use our SuperGIS Data Manager. The method is like this. This is the interface of our SuperGIS Data Manager. And here is an option that database connection. You need to right click and to choose for add, and then select the type of spatial database. Maybe you are going to connect with SQL Server or Oracle or PostSQL. And then if you are going to import data to the database, after you create a connection, you select on the connection and right click. There is an option to import feature data into the geodatabase. And then if you are going to export data from the database to your physical path to your computer, just choose for the layers saved in the geodatabase and right click to choose for export. So this is the method how to import or export data between the database. Okay, then we switch to the demo part. Okay, this one, let me close it or to new a map. Okay, so like what I say, when you are going to add the data from the geodatabase, you just need to use this add layer icon, and then you'll see there is a drop-down menu. You need to select the database connection, and then use this one, add your database connection. Double click on that and choose for the type of connection. Like maybe my data is saved in PostgreSQL Server. Then I choose this one and type in the basic information, maybe the IP address and the port and the name of database and also the account and the password. Okay, then click OK. The connection is created. If you are afraid that the name of the connection will be confused, you can right click on that and to rename it. Maybe this one is Advanced SQL, so I can rename it. and then double click on that. You will access to the database and choose the data like this one. This is the maybe the POI for the coffee shop. So you can add it, so it will display on map. And then you can also check for the attribute table by right click this one. So the data is including maybe the staff or the sales in 2013 or the name of the shop or even the phone number and the address. So this is how you can connect to database. And then if you only have this kind of data, you can use our online map tool by right click and go to the online map tool to use an open source map, OpenStreetMap. So click on this one and click on this icon, add online map layer button, and then the OpenStreetMap will be added in on this map. So after that, be careful. While using the OpenStreetMap, it is based on the coordinate system of Web Mercator, like this one. So you need to specify the coordinate system saved in the Geodatabase. So my data is based on WGS 1984, so it is under Geographic coordinate system and under the category of words, and this one WGS 1984. So let me assign a coordinate system of my data, and then let me switch the order and let the OpenStreetMap at the bottom, and then I can zoom to the layer, to this layer, active layer. And here, this is the my GIS data, my point data overlay with an open source map, OpenStreetMap. And maybe you are going, another way that you can display that you can change the symbology. Maybe I want to know which stores have more profit. I can change the symbology by the change a bar chart, and then I can to use the cells to display on map by showing a bar chart. So here we can see maybe the store near the tenancy that it can earn more profit. So this is how you can connect the data saved in a Geodatabase, and then overlay with an open source map. And then you can export map to a JPEG format or TIFF format. So you can use the photo to help your presentation more convenient, convincible. Okay, so okay, so this is the second case scenario that teach you how to connect with a spatial database and to use with our online map tool.